Ex-Inter Milan star Freddie Guarin, this guy don't commit finally. After all the good things we hear about this guy, they say that year, no joke with them. My people, now no go believe the one will happen now. That's so police come, they say parents call police on his behalf. Say they beat the parents, if they assault them, if they harass them anyhow, if you not see them. Now so blood just full in body. And according to Colombian news, because the thing happened for Colombia, according to Colombian news, they say the guy now they under influence of substances. And we already know whenever you hear substances, you supposed to say powder they involve. But you understand? They say they under that influence. He physically assault the parents. No be smart, you know. And now this thing can happen days after. For now we don't know. You get one thing where they call millionaires. They say days after in telling things, say may they give am time because of the personal issues we get. Now days after that, this matter can happen. My people waiting cause I don't know. Because I want make una join me with una koro eyes. May we watch the video.
Te di apoyo, ven.
Que se lo lleve. Cosame, weón. Es que se lo lleve, papi.
Espera que estoy pidiendo la patrulla, ya viene la patrulla.
Hey, drugs. The kind things where drugs they do for people life these days. And if they pay me, say they know even they learn from this one. We go talk about one today, another one will go take on tomorrow. People wait plenty for this world, we no get parents. They pray, say God, oh, even if now one. Some people even lose the two. Now this guy, they physically assault his parents. And now they can't tell me now, Aproko, you don't know the reason. I beg, which reason? Which reason go make you raise hand on top of your mother? I know, sometimes when they justify some kind of nonsense things. Person even tell me, say, maybe they don't eat in life savings. Maybe they don't. I don't understand. Wait, oh. See, I know they try to support anybody, but my question first of all, they say, if your mama eat your money, you know good. Okay, apart from the fact that maybe they do them in a wrong way. But that doesn't give... See, no matter what, I beg, no raise your hands on your parents. If matter don't pass your level, call security, call police, make they settle am. No raise your hand, e no good. And this one, that way drug come dey involve. Wetin una dey tell me? If I tell una, stay away from drugs, una go say, heal. Stay away from drugs, una don see am. So come imagine now, maybe I see the hit the mama can't die. Wait till una go talk. Say, he's sorry, he did not know. Now this part, una see this road. Now this road, almost all our celebrities, now the road where they don't take. Drug. You want to have fun, drug. You want to sleep, drug. Some of them said they don't feel sleep if they don't take her. Some of them don't feel enjoy party if they don't take her. You want to do your woman, drug. You want to eat anything, now na drug. Now the part where all of them don't enter. They very obvious, Say Colombian villagers now they don't dare this guy number. They don't dare on top in matter. What a waste. What a waste. No, just imagine after you shine finish. You shine, everybody praise your name. Best player. This one after you shine finish. Now so your lights just go off. Now drug can't finish you. I don't know which reason. See, as it be like, I don't know what thing happen. No. I don't know what thing mama do. I don't know, and I don't want to know. But there's no reason for her to tell me. Say this is the best reason for this guy to do this. See as they bleed. See, I want to say make una learn from this thing. No waste on her life. Because no waste on her life. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Your parents, that they bring you on this life. Parents, you see after God, anyhow, I don't know for now, but me, after God, my parents, they are my life. After God, they are my life. Forget them. If not before then, you go even see these drugs wey they use. I bet no they think. Oh, see, learn to reason. Learn to reason, no matter what. And no let anger take over you. It is very, very important. Try to fight it. It's not easy. Try to fight it, but no, see, it is very painful. Because people don't they tell me, say, Aproko, this guy, that year, not try him. He used to be the best. That's why I say, hey. Now the best don't end up like this. Wetin this thing they try tell you now, be say, see, humble yourself anywhere you find yourself. Tomorrow you can be inside dustbin. Today you are holding star. Very, very important. Abeg, na the matter say make I bring for una wey dey talk say na una fan, na una model, na everything. All of una wey na Milan members. Because I don't bring una the matter. So anything wey you guys talk concerning this one, drop am for that comment section. As I dey here, usually I go reply na one by one. I make sure say you share this video. Everybody must know wetin dey share now for Colombia. Very, very important. And subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, how you won't get matters like this one? If not for here. Stay tuned for our next story. Another church don't bring us another one over people every day a different strategy and different things. This one now, I beg, allow me give this church name. May nobody come against me. I don't give a name. Matchmaking Church of Christ. My people, if you now see how they give people partners for this church. Now so one old man go meet pastor, say, sir, my wife died and I've been lonely, I've been alone, I'm suffering, you understand, I need somebody to keep me company. Now so the man of God, the man of God just tell her, walk round, I give you permission and choose any woman of your choice and it shall be established. Now so this man go round, he pick woman. I bet make I not tell una wetin the woman do, wetin the woman talk about, make una see am by una own eye, you understand? I bet join me, make we watch the Matchmaking Church of Christ.
And since then, I have been alone.
Okay.
I want company.
Okay. Papa said his wife died and since then he has been alone. He need another one. Go around, sir. Go around. Choose anyone you want, sir. Choose. Choose anyone, sir.
I go settle down today. You go settle down today. Papa go around and see your wife. Everybody, you go settle down today. You go settle down today. You go settle down today. You go settle down. Hey, 1, 2.
Now, he knows your husband, but your husband is not alive again. Is your husband not alive again?
He's late, 5 months ago.
Okay, he died 5 months ago.
Yes.
Sir, don't worry. See me later. Don't worry. See me later. God bless you. You are blessed. Thank you. Where is the other man?
I beg, this song where they sing now for me, I've been up for another. Now crime to go church, oh. No, it don't become crime to go church. And they tell you a serious matter. Because now person go church. You they go church, but you they wonder, what will I see today? What is today holding for me? Because now we don't know. See this woman. She go church, say she they go serve God before you know, and her husband they won't give her. Now by force. Hi. Chineke me. So now like this they marry. Now they understand. No wonder some marriages, if you see and say you they pity them. You no go allow me person fall in love with person. Make person using eyes see person love her. You they match make people. And when I hear that from the woman mouth. She just lost her husband 5 months ago. Not even up to Charlie waiting beyond this one. Not even up to 1 year. You know, not go allow this woman money husband finish. Once you not choose anyone, like say na biscuits, I been a pepper where you enter market, you say choose. are talking about lifetime something here. These people, if they marry, now forever, and I been for better and for worse. Some pastors want too much. So see, some pastors now our problem. Some of these pastors, they be our own problem. I beg this woman, I beg me will give her 3 bosa. See how she do the tofiakwa. He said, no be me and you. Which marry? I like the reaction. If na some of una husband, una we do they desperate, any small thing, una no go even say na old man, una go just stand up. Yes, the Lord has spoken. Which Lord? Which Lord has spoken? We spoke, this God spoke now. Some churches, I dey repeat them, some churches. Chineke. I not just understand. Wait, is it that they don't get message again to preach? Or they like, I not just understand. No message, or for the messages where they this life. People will never know Jesus. You don't see message to preach. You don't see, I not just understand. Make una dey careful the kind church una dey go. I'm not saying no, I don't go church. Please, dey very careful. And not be everything where your pastor talk you go take. Some things not be for you. Some things not be for you. What is this thing? No, this thing now will just happen. What is the message? What is it telling people? You fit carry anybody, give am to another person. You fit carry this one. Tomorrow now, if the marriage break or the man start to beat the woman, wetin you go talk? Some of una. Once pastor don't talk one thing, una go on. In fact, una fit even kill una self. Because it's my pastor. Una no go pray about something. At least hear God. See, I dey tell una this thing. Know God by yourself. Go to church, but no go by yourself. Have a personal relationship. If not, any smart thing where they tell you, you say you go they follow. Because this thing no funny. Forget say now laughing something, but see on a serious note, this thing no they funny. How you go just hey, you not even do it privately. Okay, even if I thought you won't do this kind of thing, call the woman. Sit and down, tell her, say, okay, person dey here way like you. How far are you ready for something? You understand? Something like that. You just go. Pick anybody. I give you permission. Pick Chai! No. Make us stop to the laugh because it make if I dey remember only the song. Now only the song where these people they play. If I dey remember it make me they laugh. Choir people. Choir members now they even rehearse song. They get song where they sing for this kind program. The program now find me a wife, I find you a husband. Now the name of the program be this. I bet people, I say make her bring a call on her side. I don't know how many of you they attend this particular church, but something needs to be done. Because share this video so that everybody go know what say they happen now. In fact, the matter is very, very serious. I don't know whether na lack of husband or lack of wife, but in each way we una feel see her, be una see her. Share this video so that people go see say now the shelle for the shelle be this. I make sure say subscribe. If not, no, imagine this kind of matter now where you want hear her, where you want see her. Humble yourself now. I just click on that thing. Very, very important. And still drop your comment as usual. I go reply now one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.